Positive reinforcement training, science behind learning. Learning is not involved in mastering a new skill or any academic subject, but also involved in emotional development, personality development, or social interaction. Positive reinforcement is added in dog training on their right act. The reward could be a treat. It is unbelievably effective technique. It is based on the science of animal learning. We have learned what to fear, what to love, how to be polite, how to be intimate, and so on. In Pavlov's experiment, a researcher experimented on a dog. In the experiment, unconditional response UCR, the salivation of a dog, an innate response is attached with UCS, an unconditional stimulus that automatically evokes a response. The dog can learn to associate the situation with the action and gives an automatic association between UCS and UCR is present at the beginning of the experiment and it is not learned. The association between CS and CR is learned. CS is the light, but the dog gives no response. UCS is food, the dog gives a response that is UCR. Training is different than this concept. It includes operant conditioning. It includes trial and error learning, and this dog learned to associate their behavior with consequences. So if a person is talking to a friend and the dog bark at him and the person gives him a bone to keep the dog quiet, so the dog will bark again when the person will talk to the friend. It will be pleasant consequences for a dog. The dog's action are controlled to influence its consequences are there to drive behavior. They express the behavior, but how it actually works. Operant conditioning always works on adding something or removing something. The treatment is a positive response. Added in operant conditioning, the subtraction of a subject will be the removal of something. The second dimension is reinforcement. The behavior will be more or less in it. The frequency of the behavior increases or decreases the behavior. These two-dimension forms and gives 4 quadrants of operant conditioning. These are used to affect the behavior. It influences the behavior of the dog and it teaches the dog to love training. The dog creates a bond with human beings. These are the advantages of science. There are so many understandings of learning. It improves the ability of the person. The brain is a mystery for human beings. But now we have so much understanding about learning, organizing, and the concept of retrieving information.